remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem. Bearing the flags are the players who have shown us courage and leadership on and off the court. More than valuable players, their hearts and their spirit embody all that is good about the PBA. They have chased their PBA dreams, and through talent, hard work, sheer will, and desire, they have made it come true. They are now here to share that dream with all of us. Let us all welcome the reigning MVP, Kelly Williams of the Santa Lucia Realtors, with Arvin Gutierrez, along with 2006 MVP James Yap of the Purebrook TJ Giants with Baby James, and 2007 MVP Willie Miller of the Alaska Aces with Dre Miller. Ladies and gentlemen, to lead us in singing the Philippine National Anthem is a young lady with a dream to be among the best performers in the world, who had the will to set up on that world stage. She now opens her heart and shares her gift of song to all of us. A singer, Nasariling Ati, the grand champion at the World Championships of the Performing Arts. Miss Catherine Loria, along with the Las Piñas Boys Choir.
Wayang matitiw, belas ng sinangalan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, tulad ka ng pag-ibig, sa malulupi, di ka masisipil, sa dagat at mundo, sa simoy at sa langit mong mukha, may hinahang tula at awit na pangunayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na napiliging, ang bituin at araw niya kanya, pang may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng hating pagsikta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya dapat may mag-aapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
You may now be seated. And now let's meet your favorite PBA team. They'll have one dream, to win a PBA championship. They have one will, one goal, to be the team that finally lifts up the Bernardino Cup at the end of the season. They have one gigantic heart and the willingness to reach out and share with you that PBA dream. The players, number 3, Egay Millones, number 4, J.R. Quinyahan, number 6, Marvin Cruz, number 8, Shola Villanueva, number 9, Ingo Canaleta, number 16, Homer Seth, number 18, Todd Kramer, number 19, Winnie Arboleda, number 20, Gary David, number 27, J.C. Intal, number 29, Arwin Santos, number 33, Randy Del Campo, their head coach, Paul Parasol, assisted by Larry Zapp, Chester Johnson, and Benji Seeping, the Air 21 Express. And now put your hands together for the amazing Alaska Aces with the Little Aces and the lovely muse Isabel Taza. The players on the Aces, number 4, Mark Popovan, number 7, Sonny Cross, number 9, L.A. Tenorio, number 12, Larry Bonacher, number 13, Willie Miller, number 15, Kelvin De La Pena, number 21, Raynel Hugnakan, number 22, Jeffrey Carriazo, number 30, Irvin Soto, number 35, Tony De La Cruz, number 38, Joe Devance, and number 55, John Ferriols. The assistant coaches of the Alaska Aces, Dicky Bachman, Luigi Filho, and Jojo Lastimosa. The head coach of the Aces, Coach Tim Cole. Ladies and gentlemen, Alaska Aces. How about a shout out? And now 2008, yes, the conference champion, unbeaten players, but a guy he never played. With the young royalties that led by their muse, Iwa Marco. Number 9 guy he never gave, sorry. Number 2, Billy Mamaril. Number 3, Chuchu Tabaku. Number 4, Rafi Rivas. Number 5, Mackie Escalona. Number 10, Juki Valenzuela. Number 13, JJ Heldergren. Number 16, Paul Antani. Number 22, Chris Bacana. Number 30, Eric Beck. Number 43, Alex Frisano. Number 45, Mike Halter. Number 47, Bart Kagiwa. Number 71, Ronald Dubin. And number 80, Sunday Sampachon. Assistant coaches of the Hawaii Network Kings, Alan Kennedy, Art De La Cruz, Judah Sullivan. The head coach, Joe Wichito. Team manager, Sam Boyle. Number 1 guy, he never came. Give it up right now for the fierce Coca-Cola Tigers! For the Tigers up and the Muse Sport Club! The players on the Coca-Cola Tigers, number 3, Nick Velasco, number 6, Cesar Cotley, number 7, MC Caceres, number 8, Alicia Maurahan, number 9, Roger Buenafe, number 12, Troy Babion, number 13, Mike Tenard, number 16, Lawrence Fodas, number 17, RJ Rizada, number 24, Ricky Kaliba, number 31, Sean Amigo, number 55, Alex Cabanto, number 81, Mark Papagal, and number 88, Ati Taulava. Assistant coaches of the Coca-Cola Tigers, Eric Gonzalez, Richie Dixon, and George Elliott. Assistant team manager, Gerard Francisco. The head coach of the Tigers, Coach Vicky Pavis. NBA fans, your Coca-Cola Tigers. And now here comes the towering Putin CJ Giants with the Little Giants and their muse, the incredible Ia Beliania. The players, number 1, Chico Larete. Number 3, Paulo Bonilla. Number 5, Jordan Salvador. Number 8, Peter Jude Simon. Number 12, Jonathan Hernandez. Number 13, Rosaria. Number 14, Rico Villanueva. Number 17, Aaron Abad. Number 18, James Yap. Number 20, Richard Alonso. Number 21, Kirby Raimundo. Number 24, Tobin Robinson. Number 28, Richard G. And number 30, Paul Belga. Assistant coaches of the DJ Giants, Ronnie Massano, Troy Banal, and Dio Mendoza. Team manager, Alvin Matrimonio. Head coach